Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 147 Cliffside Drive on beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
This is the ultimate, totally updated to perfection dream Canandaigua Lake condo.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is totally updated one-floor living right on the water. Featuring a designer white and bright kitchen with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a phenomenal breakfast bar, overlooking the dining area with scenic lake views, and spacious living area for all your games and activities, all with a wall of windows overlooking gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This beautiful Canandaigua Lake condo has it all for you and your guest. Featuring 2 spacious guest suites with totally updated baths to pamper yourself after a day on the lake. This unit has a prime location with easy access of your reserved parking spot right at your front door.
Enjoy waterfront living with the most dramatic views of Canandaigua Lake from your entertainment-sized balcony. Bristol Harbor Village offers a clubhouse featuring living and gathering space with adjacent tennis courts. Elevators provide easy access to the private sand beach. Even dock your boat at the harbor. Situated on the west side of Canandaigua Lake, Bristol Harbor is minutes away from the city of Canandaigua.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 147 Cliffside Drive overlooking gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!